Knee pain, a constant reminder of the physical stress that you put your body through every day. It can be caused by a sudden injury, an overuse injury, poor posture, or by an underlying condition such as arthritis. The symptoms of knee injury can include pain, swelling, and stiffness. If you do not want to pop in painkillers, and looking for natural alternatives for relief from this excruciating pain, you are watching the right video. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Say goodbye to knee and joint pain in just 5 days. Today, we have come up with 4 best natural remedies that will not only relieve the pain, but also restore the normal functioning of your legs. Keep watching. Essential oils. Apply a mixture of peppermint essential oil and eucalyptus oil to spots that are inflamed and swollen. Due to their cooling menthol effects, peppermint and eucalyptus quickly reduce the heat, swelling, and discomfort, as it directly absorbs right into your skin. Epsom salt. The high magnesium and sulfates in Epsom salt are easily absorbed through the skin, and provide quick relief. Simply dilute 2 cups into 1 gallon of water, then soak a towel and place it on your knee for several minutes, to absorb the solution. Miracle Smoothie. This smoothie is highly effective in treating and relieving knee and joint pain. It has anti-inflammatory properties, as well as silicon, bromelain, vitamin C, and magnesium. To make the smoothie, you will need 2 cups of diced pineapple, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 glass of orange juice, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cups of water, raw honey. Procedure: add oatmeal and water into a pot, and cook for a few minutes. After the oatmeal is cooked well, allow it to cool down. Mix orange juice, oats, cinnamon, pineapple, and honey into a blender, and add water to make the smoothie thinner, if needed. Drink this smoothie on a daily basis for best results. After 5 consistent days, total relief from knee and joint pain should be experienced. Diet modifications. The easiest way to prevent against pain long-term is a change in diet. Chronic inflammation in the body causes weakness, and will eventually lead to tissue degeneration. By implementing an anti-inflammatory diet, joint and bone pain caused by inflammation and swelling will likely start to decrease. You can check 6 anti-inflammatory foods with powerful healing benefits in the description box below. Thanks for watching.